Hello everyone and welcome back to English Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. Minus 7 plus 7 times 3 divided by 14. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to feature in our shortout list. Many fail to solve, so I will solve stepwise. Many fail to solve. Okay, they solve like this. 7, we will write again. Minus 7 plus 7 times 3 plus 14. Minus 7 and plus 7, which give them 0 times 3 by 14. 0 times 3 will 0 by 14 and answer is 0. So do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. So what will be the right way? I will show you. We will take the help of PEMDAS. Okay. We will take help of PEMDAS. We will rewrite again here. Minus 7 plus 7 times 3 divided by 14. Okay, first we have to solve this numerator part. But we have minus 7 plus 7 times 3. As we know in the PEMDAS, first we will solve for this multiplication part because there are 3 operations: minus, plus and multiplication. Actually 2 operations are there only, but sign is there, so I was talking about that. So first we have to solve this multiplication part. It has the higher priority, so we will write like minus 7 plus 7 times 3, that is equal to 21, and minus 7 plus 21 will give us plus 14. Okay, so we will write simply, in the place of this we will write 14, which will be again divided with 14, and you can solve from there. 14 times 1 and 14 times 1, which will be given 1. So here 1 is the right answer. And if you're senior, then must check out our product list in the description. This will be definitely help you, and try to solve this math question and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.